What's your name?
Jenna.
Jenna, welcome to Connecticut Parachute. Is this your first skydive?
Yes.
All right, why are you doing this today?
For my mom's 50th birthday.
For your mom's 50th birthday, you're throwing yourself out of a plane.
Yes.
That doesn't make any sense to me at all.
And I want to.
Does she expect you're going to survive?
Yeah, I hope.
So you don't even know if you're going to survive.
I'm going to survive.
And this is for her
I got
birthday?
this. Yes.
Well, happy birthday, Mom.
Thank you. Yeah, she's gonna come with me. Because if I go,
Alright.
she's coming with me.
All right. Hey, have a great time. I'll see you when you get on the plane, okay?
All right, thank you.
And I'm tired to be here, that I'm man, but y'all been talking nothing but